Hey guys, how you doing today? Welcome to yet another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to send large file formats via WhatsApp. WhatsApp is known notoriously for reducing the quality of pictures, of videos, of media generally. Whenever you're trying to send it through the platform to another person, they will shrink it so you can send faster, but that also reduces the quality of the image or video drastically. So then how do you send files, large files, through WhatsApp in a way that preserves the quality? That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. So what you want to do is go to WhatsApp, go to the person you want to send it to or the group, click on this button here, and then click on documents. Then when you come here, usually you see PDF files and other related files that are traditionally known as documents. So what you want to do is you click on browse other docs, and then now you can see images and videos and the rest. So the interface will be different depending on what device you're using, but generally when you click on documents and then you click on browse other docs, you can come to this section and then you can decide the type of format you want to send. Like if you want to send this picture, for instance, it's going to appear like this with the full size. This picture is a JPG image and it's 8.7 megabytes. Usually WhatsApp will reduce this down to maybe 1 megabyte or 2 megabytes just to increase the speed. But when you're sending it this way, it's going to be sent as, the full file is going to be sent exactly the way it is on your phone, and the person is going to receive the exact same image on their phone or on their device without it being processed by WhatsApp server to reduce the quality to make it go faster. So if you have a question, please leave it in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.